We are living very difficult times. What's happening in the geopolitical space with radical nationalism, geopolitical shifts, and significant reductions in official development assistance has placed a very huge burden on governments, on countries, and most importantly, when it comes to work. People have lost jobs. Even those who have jobs are not sure that they're going to continue keeping the jobs in the next 6 months. AI is here, yes, to offer opportunities, but we know that in the coming years, a lot of jobs are still going to be lost. There is a lot of uncertainty when it comes to the workspace. And as a continent, Agenda 2063 for Africa is looking at us. If our demographic dividend, the youth, is the main competitive advantage that Africa has to offer to the world, and most of our youth are unemployed, with this looming uncertainty, it means we need to think bolder, and we need to think faster, and we have to be proactive rather than reactive. This is the reason why the Career Café was created, to actually come up with a platform to create careers, support careers, provide leadership, strategic leadership to organizations, provide wellness schemes to organizations, to actually come up with bold, future-thinking leaders that are going to come up with ideas that are fit for purpose with what is actually needed in the space now. The Career Café has been organizing a series of events, starting from free webinars, master classes, short courses, and most importantly now, within what is happening in the global health space, developing the global public health, entrepreneurship, innovation, and leadership course. But to have a continental impact, which is where we have our as target, this is not enough. And that is why the Career Café has taken up the leadership to lead the Secretariat of the Rethinking of the Future of Work in Africa. Why is this very critical? We acknowledge and appreciate the work that is actually done by continental bodies, but with the speed at which things are moving, we do not have time and space or excuses for bureaucracy. The Future of Work reset that is being led by the Career Café is bringing on board governments, the private sector, educations, and national governments to rethink the future of work in the continent. AI has caused the disruptions that we're having. But what does this actually mean for what is going to be happening in the next 5, 10, 15, 20 years? And that's why the Rethinking the Future of Work think tank is here. What is the future of work going to look like for agriculture? What is the future of work going to look like for education? And what are the opportunities that the AI revolution has to offer? We are convening the first think tank, the first breakfast meeting in Nairobi on the 4th of June to have a concrete reflection on the way forward, on how to be kind of proactive and strategic in thinking the future of work in the continent. The time for being reactive is over. The mental models of creating future leaders which are not fit for purpose is kind of over. This discussion is still also going to continue in Kigali on the 25th of June. By the end of this convenience, we aim to bring together a network of organizations, bold thinkers, to come up with this lean Future of Work think tank to support continental bodies, national governments, and key stakeholders involved or interested in building a fit-for-purpose workforce. As the Career Café and as a Secretariat, we have a think tank, we have our thought process. Our competition is collaboration. Why not partner with us so that we build this fit-for-purpose future workforce for Africa, which is lean and fit for purpose together?